They show you how the express stops at only specific lines. Three big buns for 100 new Taiwan dollars. And now train station sushi.
Looks good.
We escaped the rain for like the entire week so far, so at some point it caught us. And in even better news, it's actually kind of chilly. So not hot like Kaohsiung. Very nice weather. Last Airbnb.
Yep. Smaller, but it has a washing machine in the unit.
You don't even really need to turn the AC on right now. It's like so nice.
No, but it's like humid.
Yeah. Love to touch a grass. Cute.
Can you hang stuff outside?
Not really. Nice. Big couch. Mirror there is also a nice touch.
Yeah.
And the door is completely foamed over.
For a sound. That's good. Yeah.
Free washing machine.
What do you need? Oh,
Yeah.
Free.
The shower and the washing machine are in the same spot. Efficient use of space, I guess. Okay. Wait, can we check this one out? Okay. We can use glue, or we can use little pegs. I think those are made out of, they're made out of plastic. And here's the drill to put holes into it. Here's a tester hole to go into. Who first?
You sure you want to make one yourself?
Nope.
Everything included was 1,100. Everything. So it's not bad.
You know, in my mind, I'm like, I could 3D print this. It won't be made out of wood.
The wood makes it more charming.
I do think so. I wish I could work with wood. It's not perfectly straight, but I think that's okay. Nice. Time for drilling holes.
Yeah, we'll do this last. Oh no, what if I fucked up? Which end is this? This goes in here, right? And then to make a...
Then there's like a little stamp over there. You can Yeah, I guess put the things in all of them first. I kind of want to see, like, them using the other screws.
It's probably for the music box because they
Yeah.
rotate. Where are we? Where are we? Here?
Yep.
Yeah.
And
And then we'll
then
do after. Oh, it's pretty like.
harder. Is it flush? No, there's still a little hole gap. Should I get one?
Wow.
I mean, in clinic, I take like my ring off all the time when I need to put like contact lens
This
fittings.
is why I'm here. I told you I want a music box, but this is nice.
And this place is called Wonderful Life. Cute.
Very cute.
I got that one because it glows.
Yes.
Wow. Pop-up shop. Pop-up shop. What? On a very rainy day. This is not hot though. He's huge. Here's the wife for scale. I have no idea. It must, it's a bird.
Hey, some birds are flightless.
And we're back. Damn, these guys are dedicated. It is rainy out. I guess the stage does have some cover, but Taiwanese dancers definitely earned their way. I was here just last year. Actually, I'm gonna go a little bit slower.